Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video, you will learn how to configure the new Cisco ASA so that computers can connect to the internet using the graphical user interface. The Cisco ASA is installed as a PPPoE client to connect to ISP. In most cases, it is used between a private network and the internet. The video guides PPPoE dialing configuration for outside ports on Cisco ASA devices. Create a VPDN group, here I've called it Internet. Supply your username and password. Set the authentication method, here I am using PAP. Tick store username and password in Flash. Tick obtain default root using PPPoE. Next, configure the inside interface. In order for a Cisco ASA interface to work, three things must be configured: the name of the interface, the security level, and the IP address. Next, configure NAT to allow computers from the internal network to the internet. By default, computers in the local network cannot ping outside the internet. To enable ping, follow these steps. Next, configure DHCP service for inside interface. Create a DHCP address pool. To specify the IP addresses of the DNS servers the client will use. You can now browse the internet using any computer that connects to the internal interface. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me 500,000 subscribers.